Hi, this is April from Creative Real Estate Marketing. Today I'm going to share with you exactly how you can create real estate flyers for your business using Canva, which is a free graphic design tool that anybody can sign up for online, and just go to canva.com, C-A-N-V-A. On this channel, I do share with you a lot of tutorials on using Canva to create real estate marketing materials. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create real estate flyers. So once you are inside of Canva, you're going to go to this top right corner where there's a search bar and type in real estate flyer, and then click on real estate flyer portrait. That's going to open up a new window, and then you're going to see a blank page. And on the left hand side, you're going to see all of these real estate flyer templates that you can select. And the ones that have the crown in the right corner, they are for pro members, and you can see those right here. And you don't need to worry about those unless you are wanting to really utilize Canva to the fullest. Then you might want to consider upgrading in the future. But for the most part, you can just use Canva as a free member, and there's so much you can still do as a free member. So I'm going to select a template, a free template, this one right here. And all you have to do is just select the one that you want, and then it'll put it in this blank template. And then I like to make mine larger, so you can go like this. You can put this to the right and it'll make the picture larger, the graphic. And as you can see here, this is a just listed flyer with this address and then information about the property, the website, and then this is the agent's information here. And then on the top and bottom, you see the images of the property. So what you would do to edit this flyer is you would click in this image, this picture, and delete it, and then you'll see this blank image slot where you can upload your own image. So you would go to Uploads in the left side, and then you would upload your file of the property. So for example, if I uploaded this picture, I would put this right here. But of course I would recommend using the one of the outside of the property for the main image. And then you would put the address, so you can click inside of here and just edit this. So 123 Maple Street, just for example, and then you can edit the details of the property: 4-bedroom, 4-bath, garage, kitchen, pool. For example, you can just click in there and put pond. If it's 3-bedroom, you can do whatever you want on this. And then for the agent, their image, you would delete that and then put your own image in there, and then of course edit the name of your company and your phone number. And then of course you can edit your website here. So aprilsells.com, sells homes, whatever your website is. And then down here you would upload the images of the property in these 3 image boxes. So you can do that I can just go over here to photos and get some images of homes. Type in bedroom, but of course you're going to upload your own images there, so you just drag them into these boxes. Bathroom. I just wanted to show you how to do this. Pond. Okay, so that's just an example of what you can do with a real estate flyer, how you can edit one really easily and create one really easily for free in Canva. Once you are done creating your flyer, you're going to click on share right here, and then you can download it to your computer. So you would click on download, and then you would click on download, and then that's going to download that image to your desktop. And then I can open it here and then see, there it is. There's the flyer. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful, and I do believe that Canva will also print the flyers for you, and I've never personally used Canva's printing services. However, if you click on print flyers, you can save time by having Canva actually print them for you and deliver them to you. So you can select how many pages you want to print, what kind of paper finish, how many flyers, and it's $36 for 50 flyers. And then you can, continue on and have them handle all that for you, or you can just, download this flyer to your computer and then go to any printing store, or just use your own home office or physical office to print off the flyers. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see more Canva tutorials on how to create real estate marketing materials and how to generate leads for your real estate business, make sure to subscribe, and also in the description below you will see 75 ways to generate real estate leads. I've created a free report for you. So check that out if you're interested. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you have a spectacular day. Bye-bye.